Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, in this series of revision, today we are going to revise writing skills. Today we are going to start the revision of writing skills, in which first of all we are going to discuss notice writing. In this video we are going to discuss format of notice writing, once again some solved examples and some questions will be given for practice. So let us begin through PPT. One by one let us discuss all the things. So first of all let us discuss what is writing skills and what we should always remember while writing anything in English, whether it is letter or article, speech, debate, notice, advertisement, etc. So let's begin through the help of PPT. We will try to understand all these terms. So dear students, according to Francis Bacon, reading make the full man, conference a ready man, and writing an exact man. So writing skills play a very important role in our life. There are four basic language skills, as we know very well. These are listening, speaking, reading and writing. So listening and reading, they are inputs, because through listening and reading we take inputs, and through speaking and writing we give outputs. So these skills complements each other. They work in pairs: reading, listening, consuming the language, speaking, writing, producing the language. Skills receptive, reading and listening, they are receptive skills, and while speaking and writing they are productive skills. So what is, dear students, writing skills? We must know about writing skills. Writing is a visual representation of speech. It is an act of forming letters or characters and artful putting them together so as to express ideas, an essential component of any language learning. Writing is a purposeful selection and organization of ideas, fact and experience, which aims at compactness and precision in expression, as well as grammatical, idiomatic and orthographic accuracy. So whatever we write, dear students, it must be grammatically correct, idiomatic, and must be well organized, well punctuated, and proper use of capital letters. So overall what we are writing, it must have accuracy, it must be grammatically correct, it must be informative, simple, logical. Writing skills include all the knowledge and abilities related to expressing ideas through the written word. So, dear student, this is very important. What makes good writing? We all must remember in what writing, what we should include, which make it very creative and very attractive, very good writing. First of all, correct spelling, clear punctuation, correct grammar, use of connector, range of vocabulary, variety of sentence types, dividing the text into paragraphs if any long writing task. In notice writing we are not going to do so. Awareness of purpose and audience, organization, coherence, cohesion, correct styles. So yeah, all things you must be knowing what is coherence and cohesion. Coherence means, dear students, whatever you are writing, it should be logical, and cohesion means it should be in proper order. So these things you must follow while writing anything in English, whether it is letter, article, speech, notice. You must follow the proper order and it must be logical. What is the characteristics of a writing? In characteristics of a writing, let us discuss what is the purpose of a writing. So, your writing should be relevance, completeness, and order, simplicity, and accuracy. So, for what purpose you are writing? It should be, whatever you are writing, it should be related to that purpose. It should be clearly telling. Okay, don't move around the bush. It should be relevant and completeness. And in order, there should be simplicity and accuracy. Now, today in this video, we are going to discuss notice writing. So before beginning, let us first discuss the format of notice writing. So in this series of revision, first we are going to discuss notice writing. So dear students, as you can see on your screen, notice this is formal means of comprehension targeted to a specific group or people, targeted to a specific group of people, or to announce, display any information. What are the 5 W's which we must know? While writing a notice, we must remember these 5 W's. They are very important. What? So what is going to happen? What type of event you are going to organize? You must mention in your notice. Where? So refer to the venue where the event would take place, when it is going to take place. When? So refers to the time duration and date pertaining to an event. So 5 W's are very important. First is what, second is where, third is when, and fourth is who can apply. So refers to the specific audience of class 1 to 5, 6 to 12, who can apply, whom to contact and whom can be contacted. Refers to the person in charge or issuing authority. So whom can be contacted, okay, in case of more information. So these 5 W's are very important, which you must keep in mind. Next, dear students, format of notice, as we have already discussed. So first you have to write the name of the institution and it should be in capital. So the Name of the institution, it must be capital, like Army Public School, Varanasi. Then notice, the word notice also should be in capital. Then date. Here date is, don't write date this way, dear students. Date should be written this way, let me tell you. Never write 20, it should be complete 2020. So you should write date this way. Sorry. What is going on? Okay. 8 September. Don't write in short. Okay, 8 September 2020. Write the date this way. Got it? Yes, always write full month name. Don't write month's name in short. Okay, and always write 2020. Don't write only 20 as here it is written. So don't follow this one. Okay, I hope you have got. Then what is going to be organized? Like it is dance competition, so you must write. So first thing, you must remember the name of the organization in capital letter. Okay, second thing, the word notice in capital. Third thing, date. I have just told you how to write date. Then your topic. After that, content. And your content must be having 5 W's, which are very important. These 5 W's are very important. Then signature, Monica, then complete name, and then your designation. So these are 8 things which you must remember while writing a notice. So while writing a notice, these 8 things are very important. You must remember. Okay. So what we have discussed in format as of now. Name of the organization or institution, it should be in capital letter. It should be in capital letter, first thing. Then the word notice, it also should be in block letter. Then mention the date as I have told you this way, 8 September as it is 2020. Okay. Then heading of the notice, block letter, then body content, then your signature, okay, in italics. Simply write your name here, don't sign. So while putting the signature, simply write your name, you should not sign. Okay, if your name is Monica, so just write Monica, and just below it write complete name. Okay, and then your designation. So your designation should be in block letters. So these things are very important. You can take the screenshot of this format in your notebook. You must mention all these things. How you must keep it, remember how important these 5 W's are, and format of this notice. So what we have discussed, students, let us revise once again and let us go through some solved examples. Notice writing. Okay, so let's start it. A notice is a very short piece of writing, usually written in formal style. It is widely used by individuals and organizations to announce events, occasions, celebrations, lost and found, etc. So student, a notice is a very short piece of writing, usually written in formal style. It is widely used by individuals and organizations to announce events, occasions, celebrations, lost and found, etc. So how to write an effective notice? So this is very important, student, to write an effective notice. So how to write an effective notice? Let us go through some points and come to know. Name of organization, institution and office issuing it. Yes, you should keep it, remember. First you have to write the name of organization, institution or office issuing the notice. Second point, the word notice. After writing the name of organization, institution, office or the authority issuing the notice, you have to write the word notice. Then date of issuing. The date of notice can be placed at the top right or left or bottom right or left hand corner. So you must know date of issuing. The date of notice can be placed at the top of right or left or bottom right or left hand corner. Next point, a suitable description, caption or heading must be there. Next point, notice can use capital letters. Details such as name of organizations, an important detail in the message itself. Yes, while writing a notice, these things should be in capital. Name of organization and the word notice itself. Next point, details of schedule, date, time, venue, program, purpose, who is to attend. So must mention all these things in your notice. Next point, signature, name and designation of the person issuing the notice must be there. Tone of the language should be formal. Yes, while writing a notice, you should keep it, remember that your tone of language should be formal. Next one, usually future time reference predominate over other tense forms. So mostly we use future tense to write a notice because it is going to take place in future. Whatever the event an organization is going to hold, it is going to take place in future. So that's why in notice mostly we use a future time reference. Okay students, next, yes, that is very important. Draw the box and ensure the word limit, which should be 50 words. Your notice should not be crossing 50 words. It should be within 50 words. You must keep it, remember that your notice should be within 50 words. Okay students, now look at the format here. First, at the beginning of notice, you have to write name of institution or name of organization should be in capital. Notice, the word notice should be in capital. Then here date, heading or subject. Then in the space write the content of the notice, what, when, where, why, special instructions, contact detail, etc. Okay students, so in writing section format plays a very important role. So you must be very careful while writing anything in your writing part of the question paper. So you need to be very careful. So here while writing a notice, you should keep in mind, first you will write name of the institution, then the word notice in capital, the date should be at the right corner, then heading, subject, then content, in the space provided, in the space write the content of the notice, what, when, where, why, special instructions, contact detail, etc. you have to mention. Then signature, name and designation. So this is a format of writing a notice. So please go through it very carefully. Okay students, so we have discussed some important points. So we must remember while writing a notice and the format of notice. Okay, let us take some examples. Now sample notice. You are in charge of cultural club of RPVV Nand Nagri, Delhi. Draft a notice for your school notice board inviting students to participate in the singing competition. Sign yourself as Aman Kritika. So here student, you can see that first you have to write the name of organization, it should be in capital, then the word notice, it also should be in capital, then subject, topic, it should be in capital, then date this side. Okay students, now let us go through the content. All the students are hereby informed that a singing competition, yes, what is going to be held? A singing competition is going to be organized in the school. This is venue, this is what is going to held and going to organize, and this is a venue as per the details given below. Okay, so this we start writing a notice. This selection for the students to perform at zonal level. So all the students are hereby informed that a singing competition, what is going to be organized? A singing competition is going to be organized. So you have mentioned here what is going to be organized, okay, in the school as per the detail given below. So here you have mentioned date when it is going to organize, and here you can see we have to mention time, then here you can see venue. So all these things are very important, and you notice must be within 50 words. Don't cross the word limit, it should be within 50 words. Okay students, interested and talented students may send their entries to participate by then date to the undersigned. Now undersigned, your name Aman Kritika, whoever you are, then you are in charge then of cultural club. So please student, follow the proper format while writing a notice. So let us take one more example. As the sports captain of your school, write a notice for school notice board inviting budding cricketers to attend trials for the selection of under 18 school team. Okay, so let's start. First you have to write the name of organization in capital, then the word notice in capital, then here date, then topic in capital. Okay student, these things must be in capital. So let's start writing content. This is to inform to our cricket players that selection to school team will be made on 19th June 2000 anything and time here. So you can see that what is going to organize cricket players selection. Okay, and when 29th June, at which time? 9 to 5 p.m. 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Where? In school playground. So must mention that what is going to organize, when it is going to organize, where it is going to be organized. Okay, students. Budding players who wish to be in the school team must attend the trials with the complete cricket kits. In all, 20 players will be shortlisted for each team purely on the basis of their all-round performance. Okay, student. So this is a short notice you can see here. So who is writing this notice? Ankur Sharma, sports captain. Okay, students. Let us take one more example. As the president of Resident Welfare Society Dilshad Garden, Jammu and Kashmir block, write a notice requesting residents not to use potable water for cleaning purpose. Okay, so once again, students, here the name of organization issuing the notice must be in capital letter. Next, the word notice must be in capital letter. Then this subject also must be in capital letter. Then date, this side. Considering the acute shortage of water in the colony this summer, all the residents of Dilshad Colony J&K block are requested. It's not Jammu Kashmir, it's a block. JK block are requested not to waste potable water by cleaning their cars, verandas and driveways, etc., or watching the plants with a hose pipe. A fine of ₹500 will be imposed on such defaulters. Kindly save water for better tomorrow. President, Dilshad Garden, J&K block. Okay, students. Let us take one more example. You are Rupa Ritesh, the cultural secretary of RPW Nandnagri. You have been asked to inform the students of class 9th and 12th about an inter-school Nukkad Natak competition. Draft a notice in not more than 50 words for the students' notice board. Invent the necessary details. Okay, students. So once again, first we know that we have to write the institution's name in capital. We have to write the organization's name which is issuing the notice in capital. Then the word notice should be in capital. Then here Nukkad Natak competition, beta, it also should be in capital. Okay, beta, it should be in capital letter. Okay, beta, it should be in capital letter. Okay, so must keep it, remember, na? Here either you can also write this way, it is not wrong. Either you can capitalize the first each letter of words, you can capitalize them, or you can write them in capital. So I would like to suggest you write whole subject in capital. Okay, beta. An inter-school Nukkad Natak competition is to be organized on 30 August 2016. An audition for the same will be held to select the students for the school troop or group. The details are given below. Date, this, time, then venue, eligibility. Interested students may give their names to the undersigned latest by 5 August, whatever the date. Rupa, then name and designation. Okay, beta. So must keep it, remember. So we have gone through many examples. Now let us take one more example. The Residents Welfare Association Lajpat Nagar is organizing a Baisakhi Fest in the locality. As the president of the association, draft a notice in not more than 50 words informing the residents about the same. Give other essential details too. So now, as we know that we have to write the first, we have to write the name of organization at first. It should be in capital. Then the word notice also should be in capital. Baisakhi Fest also should be in capital. Date this side. Then the Residents Welfare Association is going to organize a Baisakhi Fest in the colony as per the details given below. So date, time, venue. The residents are requested to come along with their fields and add color to the rejoicing. Vikas Kumar, President, RWA. So students, with 5 examples, we discussed how to write notice. I hope you have got well, and now you are able to write a creative notice. Now here practice questions. So the same questions I am going to upload on Snap Homework. So from there you have to do all these questions in your notebook. Okay students, so look at how many questions are there. So look at the screen, there are 14 questions. So please do them. Okay students, these 14 questions I will upload on Snap Homework, and from there you will have to complete it. Okay beta, thank you for watching the video.